Here's a $10 air conditioner tune-up that could save you hundreds of dollars on a service call. Step one, always disconnect your power. You might have seen part one where we just used water to clean the coils. This is a little bit more in-depth. I picked up some professional coil cleaner at Lowe's for $10. So with this one, you're gonna need tools. To get to the inside coils to actually clean them, spray the cleaner on them, we have to take this whole top off, and we do that by taking these bolts off all the way around. So for mine, I've already checked, and these are 5/16 size. So I've got a ratchet, I've got a drill, not an impact drill, and somewhere got this little tiny wrench. One thing that I think is really important is don't use an impact, only because you could potentially strip screws or bend the metal. Everybody's is a little different. So if it's too tight for these to work, just get your ratchet. All right, let's get to it. Pro tip, get yourself a little magnetic holder so you don't lose your screws. People are gonna wonder why I'm, there we go. I'm not using a ratchet. It looks like all of them. So since these are, since, I can't say it. Because these are magnetic, I'm gonna stick it right there. The next part is gonna be different for everybody, but you're gonna have to figure out when you pull it up, it's gonna have the fan on there. You gotta kind of figure out where you're gonna lean it. Not everyone's is gonna be exactly the same, even if you have the same model, because like mine, the installer didn't leave any slack in the wiring. And come over here real quick, I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. So you see right back here, there's no coils. So I'm propping it up in that corner because I only need access to here. And you can see how easy it is to smash coils at the top. And just want to leave it alone. So this is it's called Pura Filter 2000. I don't know, it's the only green one I saw there. There's a blue one that's about $3 cheaper, but this is the one that says professional. So what you do, you're supposed to shake it real good. And then if you would like to wear a mask or gloves, that's probably advised. So I'll pay for it on my own. What we're gonna do is we're gonna do one side at a time from top to bottom. And you just start, I'm gonna go right to left since this corner is over here. So it kind of foams up. It really felt like the last time I did this, it sprayed more and was less of a stream. So mine might not be as pretty as you want. So once you get it sprayed on there, let it sit on there for about 5 minutes, take you a little break, and then we're gonna rinse it off. Some people will tell you, get everything rinsed inside and then go ahead and do the outside. But I like to do things a little quicker. And I feel like breaking down the dirt and the grime works at the same time. I will rinse it on both sides, but I'm gonna go ahead and apply to the outside while the inside's doing its job. Find your hose. There it is. So you can either use shower, or I like using flat. You're not trying to put a lot of pressure on there. You just want to have a nice good stream and go from top to bottom. You should be able to see all the crud to do from top to bottom. Now that I've rinsed everything off and flooded the entire area, I'm gonna leave the top open for a little bit and let it dry out, then put the top on, then turn the power back on, and hopefully this thing will last a lot longer. My power bill will go down. Just trying to speed things up. Leave a comment and let me know what home hack you'd like to learn next.